just go around the back, show the accessories. It's got a full set of books with it. Three-jaw chuck, a whole heap of holders. Sorry about that, we'll get there. And a whole heap of holders there.